Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a fun job predictions animation using just a regular photo, and it's all with Dreamface app. So let's jump right in. First, just open your Dreamface, and if you don't have it yet, you can just download for free from the Play Store. And once installed, just log in using your Google account. And the good news is Dreamface will give you free weekly credits so you can try these AI filters without paying anything. Next, after you log in, you will be taken to homepage like this, and then simply tap on magic effect and then scroll until you find a filter or effect that called your workplace persona. This one, just tap on it. This is the filter that will predict what kind of job you might have in a fun, just animated styles like this. Next, just upload your photo from your gallery. For the best result, just use a clear photo of your face with good lighting. In here, I will just use this photo since I have used this before. But you can also use another photo by tap on plus button and then just choose your photo over here. And after that, just tap on confirm. And when you're done, just tap on create. Okay, like this. The app automatically turn your regular photo into a fun animated predictions. I think it turned out the predictions of your persona in your workplace, not a future job, but I think it's so fun. And then next, if you like the result, you can save it directly to your phone, and then you can also share it to your social media. And then next, you can even try multiple photos to see different workplace persona. And okay, that's it. Super easy and super fun. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.